The specs are real, and the footage is stunning. This might be the most capable 360 FPV drone ever built. But this drone is not for everyone. Depending on where you live, it might be completely useless to you. I'm going to tell you the truth. Today, no PR gloss and no hype. The hidden 250 grams weight problem, the DJI Avata 360, is not under 250 grams. This sounds like a boring detail, but it has huge consequences. In the US, UK, and Europe, drones under 250 grams have fewer restrictions. You don't need as much paperwork to fly them. You can fly in more locations without special permits. The full weight of heavy regulations. The Avata 360 does not fit into this friendly category. It is a bigger and more powerful machine.
Always.
It brings the full weight of heavy regulations. This is a professional tool, not a toy. If you travel a lot and want to avoid registration hassle, this might change your lifestyle. 0.8K resolution and visual power. Let's talk about the camera specs. It shoots 8K at 60 frames per second in full 360-degree mode.
Ow.
You are not actually giving an 8,000 file to your audience. You use that high resolution as a buffer. When you reframe or zoom in during editing, the final 4K video stays sharp. Total creative freedom in editing without 8K. Your reframe shots would look soft and blurry. This resolution gives you total creative freedom. Anywhere after the flight is over, captures everything around it at once. This makes every flight a masterpiece. LiDAR and obstacle avoidance. The most underappreciated spec is omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. The older Avata 2 did not have sensors on all sides. If you flew near trees, you relied only on your skill. The Avata 360 changes that equation completely. It uses LiDAR technology to see its surroundings. Perfect. Hovering in low light. LiDAR helps the drone hover perfectly even in low light. It works in forests or inside buildings where GPS is weak. This makes it a much safer drone for beginners. It also makes professional indoor filming much easier. You can fly with total confidence now. The genius of replaceable lenses, DJI added. A rotating camera mechanism to protect the glass. The lens assembly physically turns inside during landing. This prevents scratches on the expensive optics. Those lenses cost about €21 each to replace. This is a very smart design. Aggressive. Flying without Farron, many other 360 cameras, a scratch means the camera is ruined. On the Avata 360, you can swap the lens yourself at home. This is a massive quality of life improvement. You can fly aggressively near walls without fear. If you hit something, you just fix it and keep flying. Ecosystem and single lens mode. Avata 360 is compatible with Goggles 3 and Remote Controller 3. If you already own these, the drone-only price is very attractive. It starts at around €459 for the unit itself. Also features a single lens mode for standard shots. 2 different drones in one body. This allows you to use it like a standard cinematic drone. You don't always have to shoot in 360 degrees. This versatility makes your investment work much harder. It is like having 2 different drones in one body. This is a great choice for solo content creators. The US regulatory situation, if you are in the United States, listen carefully. The Avata 360 is coming, but the path is rocky. DJI is facing new restrictions from the FCC. However, this drone cleared authorization before the latest bans. It can be sold, but official retail might be delayed. The budget for repairs and parts you might have to buy from third-party sellers at first. The biggest issue is the loss of DJI care in the US. Without this insurance, you are responsible for every crash. You must budget for your own repairs and spare parts. This is a risk you must consider. My best opinion on this product, in my opinion, the DJI Avata 360 is a revolutionary tool. It changes the relationship between the pilot and the edit. It is not perfect in high winds, but it is a creative beast. If you want to create impossible shots, this is the best tool available.